repeater, visible and invisible elements in row. So as per the previous lesson, we are here the contact list with checkbox. So without any action, we are showing here. Without clicking on this delete, it is showing this model window and it is taking unwanted action here. So while selecting this Amit, Achilles, and then we have this action to delete it. So what we'll do here, in initial, when it is loaded, it should not show the checkbox. So we will hide it, and when we click on this, it should show the checkbox. So we can select and we can delete the contact. So let's start. Duplicate this demo page as the previous lesson. Here we have, and this is repeater. So repeater having this style. So what we need to do, we need to add the case. We'll say move name. Okay, so we will move the name on the click of this. So what exactly we will do? First we will hide this checkbox and we will move this name to X10 and we'll keep this hotspot as usual. Now we'll preview. So it is coming, but there is no action right now. So this is just clicking on this model is coming. It is not having any action. So what we need to do, we have hidden checkbox and name is on X10. So while clicking on this, what should happen? We'll remove this action and we'll say show checkbox. Okay, now we'll preview. So checkbox is appearing. Now need to move the name. So how we will move this? Now name should become here, which is axis 40. So we'll keep here 10 and we'll say here move name. If visibility of widget, or we can add here an style visible checkbox. So if it is visible checkbox, then it will appear. So move name FL2, move name will come here, value of visible checkbox equal to does not equal to value blank, then it will move name So it will move name to 40, right? Now move name to x40 and we won't give this 0. Done. Now we'll see preview. Selected this, it's not moving. So we'll add action to remove button. We'll say move name to 40 and this will remove and say OK. Now preview again. Clicking on this, it is working fine. Now selecting this, we have removed that. Now what we need to add? While selecting the checkbox, when it is true, it should show remove contacts. So we have given here in hotspot. So now we'll preview. Click on remove button. 1 second. Refresh. Enable this hotspot so you can see what all where I am clicking. So clicking on this, select it and then delete, right? So again, while clicking on this, select it, Achilles, delete. While selecting on this, chair, any, this, delete this. So now contact list is with the normal view, but when we click on this delete or remove button, checkbox will appear. We can select and we can delete it. So one more thing we need to change here. It is coming here as a simple box. So we'll make it as light box. Okay. Now preview. Click on remove. Select. Now you can't select again. Delete this. Again select and you will get cancel and this. So you can select again, and delete this. So in the next lesson we'll see how we can select multiple and we can get it. Right now we have clicking on this, it is appearing the checkbox and we can't select multiple. If we'll click here also, it is getting this. So we'll see in next lesson. Thank you.